Carbon agroforests are humans' only chance to unify, stay healthy, exist and thrive. Carbon agroforests are forests, but located in former agricultural areas, that produce all we humans and animals need, and this in abundance. That is all food, but healthy and organic, but also all fuels, all energy and all basic materials for all of our industry. There is no need for mining or oil drilling, because the carbon agroforests provide everything. Power lines that could be underground will depart from them with abundant energy gained from biomass. They will regulate climate and cool water bodies, including rivers. Carbon agroforests present an unedited potential for both A. Climate activists, and B. Drill baby drill groups. 2 times France is the area of carbon agroforests needed to remove all excess CO2 out of the atmosphere. B. Carbon agroforests transform for free the 15 trillion tons excess CO2 in the Earth's atmosphere into 10,000 times the yearly output of all fossil fuels of Saudi Arabia. Activists and groups get for free what they want, and none yet even considered carbon agroforests and probably have no idea of what they could be like. Obviously, both groups are blind to this unedited potential to satisfy and fulfill the needs of their own group, the other group, as well as all humans, because they do not even talk about it. Why should carbon agroforest produce all for free? Trees plant themselves for free. Forest only does not grow when we humans cut it or inhibit it from growing. Trees had a chance to plant themselves for free in the period of the Black Death, because many humans died, and those left over would look for the because of significant trade more lucrative work in the cities, and foods would be imported or not exported, and the now freely growing forests caused a little ice age. Trees also had a chance to plant themselves for free in the period of the Younger Dryas, because we modern humans arrived and killed all former humans plus the megafauna, in what are called population turnover events, and the consequence was one of the deepest ice ages of Earth's history. Should we then be afraid of carbon agroforest and forests? No, because temperatures in the Holocene, and especially at this point, are too high for us to get into an ice age anytime soon. What we should be afraid of are all the challenges and perfect storms that we are facing, with health crises above all, for them being so acute and destructive, especially with Yersinia pestis and several other bacteria re-emerging, and presenting resistance to antibiotics. Further, the next health crisis is already announced by WHO, and WHO obviously has no idea how much worse the next health crisis will be compared to the former health crisis, simply because they admit not knowing the agent or agents. The numbers they put out are to make us aware about the seriousness, but without us panicking. We should not count on it to be only one agent, because we have several agents already right now, this without any official health crisis being announced. Not to have an action plan and not to take action is almost like asking for our extinction. So why once more would we think about carbon agroforests? Because once again, carbon agroforests, apart from solving all our other challenges, are our best chance by far to prevent or ease disease X, as well as any other diseases or calamities, and it will increase our chances to survive and thrive during and afterwards.